Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by measuring and prepping everything so cooking stays efficient. Use 1 pound peeled, deveined shrimp, and 3 cups corn kernels, fresh or frozen. Pour 4 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth into a bowl to have ready. Mince 2 cloves garlic and 1 small onion. Set aside 2 tablespoons butter and 1/2 cup heavy cream. Prepare a slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 2 tablespoons cold water. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Heat a large pot over medium and melt 2 tablespoons butter. Sauté the minced onion and garlic until translucent, about 3 minutes, to release flavor. Add 3 cups corn kernels and cook for 2 minutes to warm them through. Pour in 4 cups broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Adjust heat to maintain a low simmer. Whisk the cornstarch slurry and stir it in to thicken slightly, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes until the broth coats a spoon. Gently add 1 pound shrimp to the simmering soup and cook until they turn pink and opaque, roughly 3 to 4 minutes. Avoid overcooking. Reduce heat to low and stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream for richness, then taste and adjust with 1 teaspoon salt or a squeeze of lemon if desired. For texture, remove a cup of soup, blend briefly, and return it to create body without losing corn bits. Serve hot, garnished with chopped cilantro or green onion, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.